Hello everyone, welcome to our channels. Today we are going to introduce our complete engine repair set for Detroit DD15 engines. This is our liner for DD15. This liner is with APR rings, anti-polish ring. And we also have another type that is without anti-polish ring. This is our piston for the DD15. This is a 3.5 mm oil ring pistons. We also have the one with 4 mm oil rings. We also have the different piston ring also. This is the liner O-ring can go to equip with this liner. This is a FKM material which can resist very high temperatures and very durable. This is the injector fitting seal kit. This is the seal kit, and this is O-ring, this is the nozzle, and this is the washers. And we also have the brand new the oil cooling nozzle and with screw nut inside together. Okay, this is our liner kit. After we're going to introduce to you this is our head gasket, and we also have another 2 numbers for the DD15 head gasket. We have all of them, and this is the intake gasket set. Okay, 6 pieces of them. This is the EGR cooler gasket kit. This is the oil housing gasket, and this is the O-ring for the oil pump. And all this is for the gasket for the oil coolers. What you can see here, this is the valve cover gasket, and this is the intermediate cover gasket. This is the oil pan gasket. And all these gaskets have different numbers. We have a 6 number for all those kit. This is the engine bearing kit, main bearing, connection rod bearing, and a thrust washer set. This is our crankshaft oil seal, front and rear. This is our valve stand seal. This is our engine valve, very beautifully made. This is this valve spring, valve guide, water pipe, cooling tube type, and this is exhaust manifold gasket. And this is a brand new headboard set. Okay, that's all of that. Thank you. Apart from DD15, we also have a DD13. We also have other part for Caterpillar, Cummins, International, Mack, and for other engines. If you have any inquiry, you are welcome to contact us. Thank you.